So last year, I was able to attend the Nutritious Life Studios Masterclass. And let me just tell you, my mind was blown at this session. It was 2 days. It was full of experts coming in to talk with us about nutrition, life, health and wellness, mindfulness, all kinds of cutting edge science. I left there on such a high that I went home and I decided, you know what? I'm going to put on my own 2-day workshop locally with women in my area. Everybody walk away from my workshop feeling like I feel right now after leaving Masterclass. I met so many amazing people and I learned so much in the amount of 2 days that I was just walking on air after I left. So of course I'm going again this year because I don't want to miss a minute of the Masterclass. So I would say come to Masterclass. It's going to be the best investment that you've made all year long. You're going to learn so much and walk away with a wealth of information. You're going to have a bigger network of colleagues that are doing what you're doing and professionals that you get to meet face to face. Some of the people that I met last year were just mind-blowing, and you got to go. Hi, I'm Gina Verkamp, and I am a health and wellness coach, and I live in Santa Barbara, California.